Hi, this is Balaji. Now going to see how to do Countif function in Excel. I taken some record that 8 records will be taken, that is fruits count. So I will taken that apple, orange, mango. I going to do that how many apples are in this record. For that you have to select the cell and you have to type equal and type Countif. Type Countif and open the bracket, and you have to select the range. For that I select the particular column, that's a big column I will select, and you have to put comma, and we have to give the criteria is the apple. You have to give in double quote, we have to give the criteria. So I will give that criteria as apple and close the double quote, and we have to close the bracket. This is a count if we getting. So this is the function we have to use for, and we give enter. So we getting, see that the total number of apple is 4, that will be getting. So likewise we can do for all the criteria. For all the criteria, orange means we have to take orange count, mango means mango count. Based on that we can count particular thing. Okay, this is only for this one. We have to use for some other purpose also. We can use this Countif command. Thank you for watching.